And now to introduce India's captain, Virat Kohli. They know it's your birthday. Trust you to give yourself a birthday present.
Look, again, a dominating performance, something that, as we spoke after the last game, we're striving to do again. And then, now we're sitting just under that line, and it'll be interesting to watch what happens on the 7th. Look, I mean, I don't want to say much about today's performance because we know how we can play, and the first couple of games there were quite a few variables that came into play today. We really realized how toss can be a crucial factor here, and how the first innings and second innings is drastically different. So these little things in T20 cricket sometimes matter a lot, and we're just glad we are back in our mojo and playing the cricket that we can.
Once you decided you're going to bowl first, were the bowlers sort of given a score? Let's try and get them out in under that much?
Yes, we spoke about 110, 120 max. That's the mindset we went in with, but I think the execution was spot on, and we restricted them to a total which was, again, gave us an opportunity to leapfrog everyone with the net run rate, and precisely what happened with the bat as well. I think KL and Rohit were brilliant in their intent and got us that extra boost which we needed for the net run rate.
I guess we had the numbers. You would have been following those numbers to 43 balls to go above Afghanistan, 53 to go above New Zealand. Were those messages sent out? Let's get it in 43 balls?
We spoke about 8 to 10 over bracket before we started to bat, because you don't want to go out with a 6.5 over mark in your mind or a 7 over mark in your mind, because then you're trying to do too much, and when you lose a couple of wickets, then those 20 balls can actually make a difference, where you're trying to consolidate and just make sure that there's no further damage. So we thought let them play the way they have to and they want to, and when they play like that, obviously they're going to get us that extra momentum that we required.
In a sense, has the situation just unlocked India's batsmen? Because we saw that initially the runs were not coming as much in the power play, and now the situation being what it is, has it almost unlocked people like Rahul and Rohit to go and play this kind of cricket?
Look, I mean, if you look at our practice games as well, the guys have been batting like that, and there were 2 aberrations in between where we just couldn't get off the mark, and we just spoke about 2 overs of cricket like that, and the momentum could have been completely different, and that's today's T20 cricket. In 10 to 12 balls, the whole game can change, and once that that cloud of pressure builds, then if the bowling unit is smart enough, then they contain the batting team and create that pressure even further. So that's we basically broke it down to the fact that we couldn't get away at all in those 2 games, and just 2 overs of good cricket would have put us on the right path.
Shami and Jadeja today, how good were they?
Yeah, brilliant. I mean, Shami bowled with great intent. Jadeja was absolutely brilliant with the areas that he executed, and when he can bowl like that and get the ball to grip and turn at pace, it becomes very difficult to get him away. So I'm just pleased that everyone's getting into their own as T20 players, something that we're known for, and you're just happy when you do well as a team.
Big celebration tonight for the birthday, or just another?
No, I think I'm over that phase now.
You're still young. You're only 33. I should be saying that.
No, I mean, look, my family's here. Anushka and Vamika are with me. That's celebration enough for me. Just having families around in these times where, in bubbles, life is very difficult. I think it's a blessing by itself. And the team has been amazing as well. Everyone wished me, and so many fans wished me also. They sang for me today. So it was indeed a special evening, yes.
I hope they eat the cake, not put it on your face. But congratulations and well done today.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Virat Kohli.